Hello, digital marketing people. Welcome. This is Keck with Builderall, your digital marketing information products training and support specialist. Welcome. Glad you're joining me for today's live broadcast. Today we're going to talk about something, just a fun little thing. We're going to talk about some essential keyboard shortcuts. So we'll give folks just a minute to get on the stream here. Appreciate you being with me. Again, this is Keck with Builderall, and let's get right to it. I'm going to go ahead and put myself in the corner here where I belong. And I've just got a few documents up here for this purpose. And this is the document that we're going to work off here. And I will tell you that I'm going to drop this doc in our resources somewhere on our Information Products Facebook group, so that will be in there. And then I'm just going to use this doc over here to kind of show you some examples of how these different functions work. All right, so the first one is pretty simple, Ctrl C. So let's say I highlight over here and I go Ctrl C. Okay, that's going to copy for me. And then if I go Ctrl V, the next one, that's paste. And that's helpful because some places will not allow your mouse to copy and paste things, if you have noticed that before. And some things within Builderall as well. So that's a nice little real basic there. So Control C to copy things, highlight and then copy. Control V, just put your cursor where you want it and paste. There it is. All right. So the next one is Control Z, which is undo. And let's see, let me just do another Control V. So I'll paste that here and let's see how our Control Z works out. Control Z. Aha, it disappears. Okay, so that's a really quick undo. Again, not all programs have the little undo thing. So it's nice to know this little shortcut, Control Z for undo. Control A is select all. So let me take this line here, highlight it, and Control A. Oh, I got that wrong. Control A, you don't have to highlight, just Control A, and it's going to be a select all for everything on your page. That's pretty helpful. Alt Tab. So this is to switch between apps. This one I'll give you a little more explanation of here. This baby is one of the classic Windows shortcuts, and it can be hugely useful when you're running multiple applications. Just press Alt Tab, and you'll be able to quickly flick through all your open windows. All right, let's give it a try. Alt Tab. Oh, there it is, Alt Tab. Okay, so that puts me between the different tabs I have open. Switch apps. Alt 4 is to close apps. Okay, close down active apps so you can skip the process of hunting. All right, well, I didn't really have anything open, so that's a poor example. All right, Win D is to show or hide desktop. When they say Win, that's the little that's the key with the little window symbol. It looks like a square with, a plus through it or four little squares together. So Win D, let's try that out. Win D. Okay, there it is. There's the desktop. Try it again. Boom. Well, that's a nice toggle. That was a misfire there. Okay. Win D. Okay, that's cool. All right, so Win D, show or hide desktop. Win left arrow or win right arrow is to snap windows. Snapping a window simply opens it on one side of the screen, left or right, depending on which arrow you hit. This allows you to compare two windows side by side and keep your workplace organized. Okay, so let's try that. Windows left arrow, Windows right arrow, Win plus here. Okay, that doesn't seem to be doing too much for me. Maybe because I don't have but one. I've got everything in one tab right now. But that's another one you can try. Tab and Shift. Tab and Shift plus Tab. Move backward and forward through options. When you open a dialog box, these commands move you forward, tab, or backwards with the Shift tab through the available options, saving you a click. If you're dealing with a dialog box that has multiple tabs, hit Control Tab or Control Shift Tab to navigate through them. Well, that's interesting. I don't think we'll get anything. Well, let's see. Let's go to here and let's try it up here. Shift. All right, Shift Tab not doing much for me on this one probably because I'm not in a dialog box. Okay, so Control Escape Open the Start menu. If you're using a keyboard that doesn't have a Windows key, this shortcut will open the Start menu. Okay, so Control and Escape. Okay, there it is. Start menu opened. Hit it again, it disappears. It's a nice toggle. Boom, boom. Control Escape. Start menu. All right, and F2 rename. All right, you can try that one out. All right, we've got F5 for refresh. Okay, the Win and the L key is to lock your computer. We'll try that out. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let's try it again. And it's gone. What am I going to do? Luckily, I have the password. No worries. Okay, so that works. Win L for lock your computer. Win I for open settings. I open settings. Okay, for the computer. Cool. And Win I again does not toggle it off, but no worries. What else we got here? Win S. Search Windows. The Windows taskbar has a handy search box that lets you quiz Cortana or shift through your applications and save files. Jump straight to it with this keyboard shortcut, then type in your search terms. All right, let's try it. Win S. There it is. Takes me right here. And I'm down here in the search box. Okay, so Win S. Toggle on. And Win S. No toggle off. Just click off screen to get rid of that. Win Print Screen. No need to open a dedicated screenshot tool. Win and Print Screen. Boom. There we have it. Okay, so that works great. Control Shift Escape. Open the Task Manager. Let's try that one. Control Shift Escape. Yes, there's the Task Manager. All right. Win C. Start talking to Cortana. This shortcut puts Cortana in listening mode, but you must activate it before you can give it a whirl. To do so, open Cortana from the taskbar search box and click the cog icon and turn on the keyboard shortcut. Okay, Cortana is a Windows assistant, I believe, which I have not installed, so I'm not going to mess with that one, but that one's there for you also. Check it out. Win plus Control plus Delete is add a virtual desktop. That one's cool. Check this out. Win, Control, and D. Okay, well that's kind of neat. Create secondary screens where you can stash some of your open applications and windows, giving you extra workspace. I'll have to play with that one. Win X, open the hidden menu. Windows has a hidden start menu called the Quick Link menu that allows you to access all the key areas of the system. From here, you can jump straight to Device Manager to review and configure any hardware, such as printers or keyboards that are currently attached to the system. Or you can quickly bring up the PowerShell command prompt window to access advanced Windows commands. Let's give it a whirl. Win X. Oh, there it is. Pops right up there, right behind my camera. All right, and does not toggle, but just click off screen and you'll be good to go there. So there's the hidden menu. I didn't even know there was a hidden menu. They had it hid so well. Okay, well that's let me see. That's the end of my shortcuts for you. Again, I'm going to drop this in the resources area of our Facebook group, Information Products. So you can look for that there. And just a short little training for today, kind of off topic, just talking about some shortcuts. Hopefully make your life a little easier. You can print this off, this document, and have it handy. And after you use it for a while, you won't even need the reference guide anymore. So that's it for shortcuts. Again, these are mostly for Windows machines, I believe. Some of them cross different platforms, but this is primarily for Windows machines. And you guys, I appreciate you being with me for today's live broadcast. Tomorrow's Friday, so we're going to have live Q&A Friday. Please come with some questions or ask me some in the group that maybe we can address on the live. And also, if people ask questions in the group, please try to answer them. That's really helps stretch you and helps you learn when you're digging for answers and helping people. And if you see anything comments-wise that don't seem like they belong, please flag them so I can address them. All right, you guys, I'm going to let you go. Let's go build it with Builderall today. And I'm going to say ciao for now, friends. I'll see you tomorrow on Q&A Friday. Please come with some questions.